Okay, Google, what can you do?
You can ask me things like,
Play some music.
Play Master of None.
Yumtown, population Biv.
Show me other TV shows set in New York.
Tell me about the third one.
here's some information about Luke Cage.
Open Netflix.
Open Google Play Movies.
Okay, is it like a picture?
Open HBO.
Pause. How many episodes are in Game of Thrones?
There are 67 episodes.
And what's on my agenda for today?
There's nothing on your calendar.
Unpause.
Winter is coming.
Show me pictures from winter break.
Search YouTube for videos of dogs wearing people clothes.
What's the forecast for today?
There is a 95% chance of precipitation.
Great. Play Narcos.
Play Insecure.
Glow.
Orange is the new black.
The Crown.
Play Stranger Things.
Dim the lights.